12 Science, Chapter 12, Aldehyde Ketones and Carboxylic Acids, Part 1, Methods of Preparation of Aldehyde Ketones and Carboxylic Acids. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. In this video, we will discuss about methods of preparation of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. First of all, let us see the structure of aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids. Aldehydes contain CHO functional group. Ketones have C double bond O functional group and carboxylic acid contains COOH functional group. You will notice that in all these three compounds, there is presence of carbonyl group. This carbonyl group is polar in nature with carbon having a partial delta and oxygen is having partial negative delta. The carbonyl group is polar in nature. Let us see first of all the methods of preparation of both aldehydes and ketones together. The first way by which aldehydes and ketones can be prepared are by oxidation of alcohols. In presence of common oxidizing agents, 1 degree alcohol gives aldehydes whereas 2 degree alcohol gives ketones. The common oxidizing agents are acidified KMnO4 or K2Cr2O7, PCC or chromic anhydride CrO3. The next method is by dehydrogenation of alcohols. In presence of copper or silver metal at 573 Kelvin temperature, 1 degree alcohol gives aldehyde whereas 2 degree alcohol gives ketones. The third method is by ozonolysis of alkenes. That means on an alkene, ozone is added. Now let us see. Ozone gets added on both sides of double bond. Just try to make a pentagon like this and cut this pentagon into two equal parts. So this is an intermediate basically which undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc, water and H2O2. So see on this side of the pentagon what is HCHO. CH2O can be written as HCHO. This side also CH2O, that means two molecules of formaldehyde is being formed. Take any other. For example, I am taking RCH2 or we can take another example CH3, CH, CH3. Let us take this. So this compound is 2-methyl but2ene plus ozone gives. Now we will see that addition takes place on both sides of the double bond. So we will add an ozone molecule like this, make a pentagon, cut the pentagon into two equal parts. Then it undergoes hydrolysis in presence of zinc, water and H2O2. So see here, what is there? CH3, CO, CH3. So it is going to form a molecule of ketone plus on this side CH3, CHO. So basically here we get a mixture of aldehyde and ketone. So by ozonolysis of alkenes we can get aldehydes and ketones. The next method is by hydration of alkynes. It is noticed that acetylene on hydration in presence of H2SO4 and HgSO4 gives an aldehyde, whereas any other alkyne on hydration gives ketone. Let us discuss now the methods of preparation of only aldehydes. The very first method is by Rosenmund's reduction reaction. Chemist Rosenmund, he carried out this reaction. In this, benzoyl chloride is converted into benzaldehyde. Benzoyl chloride, hydrogen gas is passed over it in presence of PdBaSO4 as a catalyst to give benzaldehyde. The next reaction is Stephen's reaction. In Stephen's reaction, the nitriles on reduction gives imines. This SnCl2 and HCl, they react to produce hydrogen gas which gets added onto the nitriles. These nitriles, they are reduced to imines, and imines on further hydrolysis gives aldehydes. Alternatively, nitriles are selectively reduced by Dibal H. Dibal H stands for diisobutyl aluminium hydride. So Dibal is being used, and these nitriles are selectively reduced to imines, which on hydrolysis gives aldehyde. Similarly, esters can also be reduced to aldehydes with Dibal H. Now the next method for the preparation of aldehyde is from hydrocarbons. Toluenes and its derivatives is directly converted to benzoic acid using strong oxidizing agent. For example, if we take ethyl benzene, it can be directly oxidized to benzoic acid. Itard's reaction. Itard's reaction involves the treatment of toluene with chromyl chloride in carbon disulfide medium. So when you are treating this toluene with chromyl chloride, CrO2Cl2, an intermediate chromium complex is being formed. The hydrogen from here gets replaced by the chromyl chloride in the complex to form chromium complex benzene CHOCrOHCl2 whole twice, which on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. So it can be asked as a name reaction, Itard's reaction. Toluene or substituted toluene is converted to benzylidene diacetate on treating with CrO3 in acetic anhydride at a temperature condition of 273 to 283 Kelvin, and this benzylidene diacetate further on hydrolysis gives benzaldehyde. There is a commercial method for preparation of benzaldehyde, and that is by the side chain hydrolysis. Toluene on treatment with chlorine in presence of ultraviolet light gives benzyl chloride, which on hydrolysis at 373 Kelvin gives benzaldehyde. One more way is there for the preparation of benzaldehyde, that is by Getterman-Koch reaction. It's a very important name reaction where benzene is treated with carbon monoxide and HCl in presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or CuCl to give benzaldehyde. So you can see there are a number of methods for the preparation of benzaldehyde. So starting from toluene or substituted toluene or benzene. Methods of preparation of ketones. Ketones can be prepared from acyl chlorides. RMgX, Grignard reagent on treating with cadmium chloride, forms dialkyl cadmium plus MgXCl. You can see here cadmium and chloride. Cadmium combines with alkyl group to form dialkyl cadmium. This dialkyl cadmium then reacts with acyl chloride to form ketone plus cadmium chloride. It can also be prepared from nitriles. Nitriles on treatment with Grignard reagent. You can see Grignard reagent is minus delta, plus delta, minus delta, and Cn we can separate as nitrogen is more electron negative compared to carbon. Now you have to remember that the negative group is going to attack the positive side and the positive group will attack the negative side. So minus R will go and attack carbon. So this particular portion is going to attack the carbon and MgX will attack nitrogen. So the bond gets broken. R is already there. R dash, this is R dash. R, C, double bond, N, MgX, R dash. This is an intermediate which on hydrolysis gives ketone. We can also prepare ketones by Friedel-Crafts acylation. Benzene or substituted benzene on treatment with acyl chloride gives ketones and the reaction is carried out in presence of anhydrous AlCl3. Lastly, we move on to methods of preparation of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid can be prepared by the oxidation of alcohols and aldehydes. Alcohols can be oxidized to carboxylic acid in presence of strong oxidizing agents like acidified KMnO4, alkaline or neutral K2Cr2O7, CrO3 in acidic medium. So in such presence of these strong oxidizing agents, alcohol gets directly converted into carboxylic acid. Aldehydes can also be converted into carboxylic acid using mild oxidizing agents like Tollens reagents, Fellings reagents, etc. Secondly, carboxylic acids can also be prepared from alkyl benzenes. Aromatic carboxylic acids, they can be prepared by vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzenes with CrO3 or acidic or alkaline KMnO4. The entire side chain gets oxidized to form carboxylic acid. Now here, irrespective of the length of the chain, it gives you benzoic acid only. So for example, you can see toluene. When you treat it with KMnO4 KOH and heat it, you form a potassium salt of the acid which on hydrolysis gives benzoic acid. Similarly, ethyl benzene can be converted into benzoic acid. Here we can have propyl benzene, butyl benzene. So irrespective of the length of the side chain, it can be directly converted into benzoic acid. Carboxylic acids can also be prepared from nitriles and amides. Nitriles on hydrolysis forms amide and amide on heating forms carboxylic acid. The very important conversion of this is ethanamide to acetic acid. Ethanamide means CH3CONH2 gets converted into acetic acid. Benzamide, benzene ring attached with CONH2 group gets converted into benzoic acid. Carboxylic acids can also be prepared from Grignard's reagent. Grignard reagent reacts with dry ice to form salts of carboxylic acid, which on acidification with mineral acid gives carboxylic acid. From acyl halide and anhydrides also we can prepare these carboxylic acids. Acyl halide or acyl chloride on hydrolysis gives you carboxylic acid. From esters also we can prepare carboxylic acids. Esters The acidic hydrolysis of esters directly gives carboxylic acids.